Participant in their swimwear/summer wear. Ayan! Grabe, hindi rin nagpakabog, no?
Kung meron guys, sumunod bigla.
Oo!
Perfect.
Ang gaganda nilang lahat. At ang sexy. Unahin na natin si Chin.
Okay, go.
So, Chin, anong inspiration mo sa outfit mo tonight?
Ito yung Boracay vibes, gano'n. Kasi ito yung isa sa sinuot ko nung nag-Boracay kami.
Niyabang mo naman gusto nag-Boracay kayo.
Ikaw
lang ba kaya mag-Boracay? Sorry. Ate Steph?
Ako naman, gusto ko interview dito si Karen.
Karen, step forward please.
Step forward.
And then Tampi. Sorry, hindi joke lang.
Okay. What's your inspiration sa yung summer wear or swimwear?
For today, I just like to show my personality, like perky, and I want colorful vibes. So I went with the pink and yellow.
Okay.
Perky and summer vibe.
Yes.
Pink and yellow pala yun. Ano pala kulay blue? Oh.
Wala na.
For the sky. Okay, thank you, Karen.
Representation ng niya na swimwear.
Siyempre, ganun talaga. Representation is the key to success. Okay, next tayo. Gusto ko interviewin si Lloyd naman. Lloyd, step forward. Parang dyan, tamang ganyan. Lloyd! Ang dami naman fans ni Lloyd! Grabe!
Grabe natin tipa ka!
Grabe. So Lloyd, ano ang inspiration mo for your look tonight?
Actually, ito kasi yung what I usually wear kapag nag-beach. Kaya, mas comfy ako pag ito yung suot.
Maganda kausap, no?
Akala ko usually kasi wear niya sa bahay.
Oo, hindi, nai-imagine ko naman siyang nag-beach siya ng ganyan. Okay. So, Ate Steph, thank you, Lord. Balik na doon. Ate Steph, last na for this batch. Sino gusto mong interviewin?
Hindi pa natin naririnig before. Si Jackie.
Si Jackie. Jackie, step forward ka.
Step forward po. Okay. What's your inspiration sa inyong outfit na swimwear?
Ako just like to showcase how, kasi fierce talaga ako as a human being.
Yes.
So bold and courageous and loving my flaws, as I have flaws as well.
Yes.
Yes, let's love our
flaws. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Jackie. So, kagaya kanina, manghihingi lang tayo ng some comments from our judges. Starting with Mr. Bruce Jolicio.
Yes.
Ang hirap. But again, summer, ang summer or swimwear naman din, kung saan kayo comfortable, and kung ano ba talaga yung sinusuot tuwing summer or swimwear, di ba? So, lahat naman kayo, bilhin ko naman, kung yan talagang sinusuot nyo, well, congrats. Ang gaganda.
Thank you, Mr. Bruce.
Akala magpapagod ka sa beach. Diba? Ewan ko na lang.
Ako naka-jacket ako minsan.
Bakit?
Ha?
Ba't ka naka-jacket sa beach?
Wala lang, may iba lang.
Okay.
Gusto ko lang na exposure.
Para pansin ka?
Oo.
Sige, jacket? Gano'n.
Oo. Kasi gusto ko pa nag-uusapan ako eh.
Ay, gusto mo nag-uusapan ko? Sige, bilong.
Speaking of gossips and mga chika, let's go to Tita Pilar.
Yes.
pinapahirapan nyo kami kasi ang gagaling mo rumampa.
Lagot.
Tama yung mga sinusunod na kan. Kaya good luck na lang kung sino yung pili namin sa inyo.
Yes, thank you, Tita Pilon.
Yes, and last but not the least, Mr. Raymond Johnson.
Nakaramdam ko na na-enjoy niyo yung suot niyo. Tsaka nakikita ko yung ganda ng Pilipinas. So, parang rapor natin.
Ganda ng Pilipinas. Yeah. Love the Philippines.
Love the Philippines. Thank you, Mr. Raymond. Okay, so, thank you, workshop participants.
Batch one.
Batch 1, you may now change into your formal wear.
Our evening wear.
And our evening wear. Thank you so much.